today we're going to discovering a pumpkin, painting it that I got from a field trip from the River Maze at school. We got a lot of paints right here. We got paint brushes, little ones, little Tykes bottles, and bottle ones. Looks like little cups. So, I'm going to show you the pumpkin. I got we worked on one that is small, and I did it all by myself with markers. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Look at it. And then I did it with no, because the orange wouldn't work. You know, white and white doesn't work, red and red doesn't work, and orange doesn't work. So that's why I didn't do any.
Like eggy?
You know, because it won't do any of that. And it's, if you think that is paint, it's not. It's markers. And see how big the stem is. It's a really big stem. And that doesn't make any sense. It already ripened? No way. And like some kids at my school got one that was white. And my friend Kenley, she got a little one and she lost it on the bus. For the little white pumpkin. It was a little bit bigger than this one, but it was white. Do they turn white after when they ripen? I think they turn into white first, and then brown, and then green, and then orange. And we found a lot of ones that were mold at the pumpkin patch. Yeah. And it was pretty, there was a lot of weeds, and they're stuck to stems, to weeds. There's a stem right here, was attached to a weed, that's what's shown right here. They had to cut it. And then we went on the hayride again. And then we did the raccoon roll. I was really scared. And then it took me a little practice. And like there's like hard ones, but you know how I got through the hard ones? I put my hands higher. So on the raccoon roller, you like this. On a video, I saw a dog doing like, and then so you do it like this. Your hands push, and then your shoes walk. So you're pushing your hands up high, and then walking. And then how you get through those where you get stuck. You like have to put your hands higher and then push. See, there's a short one and a long one. You know, I saw my friend Kyra do it, and I was like, it was really funny. And then Colby joins the helper. So Miss Clark is my teacher. K. Clark, because there's two Clarks. She helped me do it, and she taught me how to do it. I can't even do that. I'm not even buff. So I'll put this one back, and we got a lot of more smaller ones, but this one's the smallest one that we have. We got two big ones that I cannot even hold. I could never even hold a pumpkin. And today was my first time holding a pumpkin. And comment down below and subscribe if you want to see all of our videos. We got Nerf Hide and Seek Part 1 and Part 2. We're about to make more until Luke gets back, because he is not going too well.